Good morning, students. Today we will discuss class 9 maths chapter 1, which is number system. First we have to discuss about the number system. What is number system, and after that we will solve exercise 1.1. So number system, in this chapters you have to solve some questions from rational number, but we have to discuss some previous topics like natural number. What is natural number? Natural number starts from 1, means all counting numbers are known as natural numbers. All natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. First, counting numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers, means natural numbers starts from 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. When we add 0 in natural numbers, means all natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Then what is integer? All natural numbers, 0, and all negative of natural numbers form the collection of all integers. Means integers means, suppose that you draw a number line. See here, we draw a number line. This is a number line. Suppose that this is 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, these are positive, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, these are negative. And these are the sets of integers. Means integer means all natural number starts from 1, 0, and all negative numbers. Now question is, what is rational number? What is rational number? What is irrational number? Irrational number we will discuss in next exercise. But rational number, a number which is in the form of p by q. A number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. If you want, you write down rational numbers, the number of the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. Now one question definitely is coming in your mind, like all integers are rational number. Means suppose that 0. Is 0 rational numbers? Yes. 0 means 0 by 1. 0 means 0 by 1. So 0 by 1, this is in the form of p by q. 0 by 1, if you are writing 0 by 1, means it is in the form of p by q. So 0 is definitely a rational number. 3 means 3 by 1. So all integers are rational number. All integers are rational numbers. Rational numbers can be converted into decimal form also. When you convert it into decimal forms, then see, one question is 7 by 5. 7 by 5. When 7 will be divided by 5, then what will come? 5 1 ja 5. 1, 5 1, 7. 5 1 ja 5, and 7 minus 5, 2. Now put decimal, put here 0. 5 4 ja 20. Means nothing is there after that. So it is called terminating decimal. That is called terminating decimal. And suppose that 1 by 3 is there. You have to divide 1 by 3. You will put decimal, then put here 0. 3 3 ja 9. 1 has left again. Put 0. 3 3 ja 9. Again 1 has left. Put 0. 3 3 ja 9. Again 1 has left. Means 3 repeats again and again. So this is called terminating decimal. This is called repeating decimal. This is called terminating and that is repeating decimal. Means terminating decimal, if the decimal expression of any numbers comes to an end, like 1.4 comes to an end, then the decimal so obtained is called a terminating decimal. Once again, if the decimal expression of any numbers comes to an end, then the decimal so obtained is called a terminating decimal. And repeating and reoccurring, both are same things. Reoccurring or repeating decimals. A decimal in which a digit or a set of digits repeats periodically, that is called repeating and reoccurring decimal. Here see, 3 repeats again and again. So this is called repeating decimals. So rational numbers can be converted into terminating decimals and repeating decimals. Now we will discuss exercise questions. But if there are two numbers, there are infinite rational numbers between two numbers. Between two numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. Suppose that 1 and 2 has given, and you have to find one rational number. What I have told? There is infinite, means unginat rational numbers between two numbers. 1 is rational number, 2 is rational number. Why 1 is rational numbers? Because 1 can be write like this, 2 can be write like this. So this is in the form of p by q, this is in the form of p by q. So between two rational numbers, there are a number of infinite rational numbers. How you will find one rational numbers between these two numbers? So there is a formula, 1 by 2 a plus b. 1 by 2 a plus b. 1 by 2, what is a? A means this 1 and b means this 1. Means 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1, 3. Means 3 by 2 is a rational number between this number. Suppose that you have to find one more rational numbers between 1 and 2. Then how you will find? Same activity. In standard 8 also you have studied about this. Same activity means here a is equal to, you can write 1 and b is equal to, you can write this 3 by 2. Again 1 by 2 a plus b. So 1 by 2 a means 1 and b means 3 by 2. Now 1 by 2 and see here, 1 means 1 by 1, 1 plus 3 by 2 means you have to find LCM of 1 and this 2. What you will get? You will get 2 as a LCM. Now this LCM will be divided by this denominator. You will get 2 and that 2 will be multiplied by this 1. Means 2. You will get 2 plus LCM will be divided by this denominator 2. 1 you will get as quotient, 1 will be multiplied by 3. So 3 means 1 by 2 into 3 to 5. 5 by 2 means 5 by 4 is the second rational number. Suppose you want to find one more rational number, then what you will do? Two things you can do. First, a is equal to, write down the second number, means 2 you can write this number, and b is equal to, you can write same thing, means 3 by 2, and either you can write 3 by 2 as a and 5 by 4 as b also you can write, and after that you can find one more rational numbers. So in this way we can find infinite rational numbers between two numbers. You will say, how sir infinite rational number we will find? Suppose that you have a question 3 and 4 and you have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. How you will find? 5 rational numbers. Means 3 by 1, 4 means 4 by 1. You have to find 5 rational numbers. Then suppose that this number will be multiplied by 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 4 3 ja 12. Suppose 3 by 1 will multiplied by 12. Then what you will get? 12 3 ja 36 by 12. And 4 by 1. This also will multiplied by 12. Then 48 by 12. So between 36 and 48, 37 by 12, 38 by 12, 39 by 12, 40 by 12, these all are the rational number between two numbers. 3 and 4, you can multiply this both number by 5 also, means 3 by 1 into 5. 5 3 ja 15 by 5. And 4 by 1, multiply it by 5. So 5 4 ja 20 by 5. Now 15 by 5 and 20 by 5. You can find rational number means 16 by 5, 17 by 5, 18 by 5, 19 by 5. Like this you can find rational numbers. Okay? Two methods I have discussed with you. So you will remember natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational numbers, and you will try to solve exercise 1.1. Next day we will discuss something more. Thank you.